Dinta makanto.
Shopping with my sugar dad.
Sugar dad. Dinta ka ni makanto.
Was filled.
Tapos,
Mag-eat, mag-shopping, then eat, then ulit kalay.
ikadua makaon.
Siyempre kayo matapon pa pa.
Hey mama, could you get up soon? I get so cold in the other room.
Outfit check.
Check.
Lamay ka man.
Nang yabi-yabi.
Ready?
Outfit check.
Atod sa
Lain.
tsura mo lain.
Morning star, clear and true. Your honesty could pierce my heart right through. Plans are paper, I'm afraid. Get yourself moving, you'll be okay.
Yeah, maka-record sa. Hello. Thank you.
Hey Pepper, pace. Get yourself
Monster tanah ya.
be okay. There's a dream weaver that won't let me alone, and it turns my heart.
May original dako-dako. Ano ka dako sa tsura ba?
Be okay.
Bakla, timanda may 100 ka lang sakon. 88 na lang dahil bilhin.
Get yourself moving and you'll be okay.
May utang ka lang sakon ng 29, ulit na yun. Pila ka na yung budget mo? 100 lang.
Could you catch me up here? Tell me what you felt. My head is filling bottles that keep falling off the shelves. Well, every word hit like a prism, not a color that was wasted. I could
Te, pila na ng equivalent sina? Mga 60, te, may 40 ka lang sakon na yun. Sa kanoy, isa ka 20, isa ka 20, isa ka G's, isa ka 20, isa ka 40.
tapping on the counters, terracotta floor, voices warm and blended, weaving through the door. My skin was wide awake, so close I could hardly.
Pero na, may baklon ko niyo. Dire ko ibutang ang mga fitting room naman kami. May nakita naman sa Tena naman nakita mo bo?
Jacket and trekking pods.
Spiritual healing, an earthquake in each step.
Dumagi na pamangkal yan, nagamit naman pero may wala man.
Handshake.
Uy. Be, choras ang naka 100 be.
Please take your receipt.
Okay din ta next. H&M.
Oh, what size?
Tabi ko Kmart na.
I don't know, Rasa.
5.
Mabayad ka na.
520. Oo eh. Kay H&M na po. Size na lang ang ano mo, ang budget mo. Tapos, diri ka pa nagkanto sa H&M. Tag-size na.
Spiritual healing, spiritual healing.
Do ano ka do?
I'm a billion people whispering. Spiritual healing, an earthquake in each step you take. Spiritual healing.
Gusto mo pamutang tanay sa lakyan?
Hindi ko na ako pinagin shopping.
Ate, sige. Paila po ko. 12, imbis nga ano lang. Size na lang. Oh, by the da. Hindi, pasahan ta ka size ikaw bayad. Damo siya pang shopping ba, be? Ano be ang tanan be nga na bakal be? Bag. Mga ano ni? Mga bayo, pants, jacket, short. Amo na napamakal mo. Puro lang bayo tanan. Kag bag nga damo-damo itong bag. Gaya damo dalawa. Mayo gali mo, damo gali mo baka sa 100 ano. Diretso lang kay may ginkawat ka na. Hindi na magpa-check siya. Wala ka rin. Bayad ka na tanan. Bayad tanan. Ah, sige.
I can be a shadow.
Hey man, how much per hour? $20. What if we just use like 15 minutes or 30? Yes, we have one table and maybe one beer. Ano lang? Stone and wood. Thanks man. What table is this? We'll just pay later, right?
I'm sound
Cheers man. Okay.
I can lose
How are you?
myself that way. Wanna see from the bright side. Keep my head in the game. Be a shaker out in the land of the living. Wanna be on the
Pila na ka paper bag sunod? 5 na.
I can lose
Okay, we're
myself
home.
that way.
Bye-bye. See you.
See you in our next vlog. Okay, go.
Wanna pick up first ring. Be a seeker out in the land.
Maot pa ni siya karon pero after mga pila ka days or weeks or maybe months kasi wala may lang siya Pink Princess Pink Princess Sydney sa Rasul kami kay Kalamunding tapos pagpapaspas sa confidential nami ilang gid oh.
Hey guys, this is sponsored by Michikodon. All of this, see this?
Do grabe sugar doon tapos $100
This, and this, and this, and this, and this,
hindi ang isa kay size lang na ako
and this.
ikaw mo na nagbakal
I look like a Danya with this vlog. See? With the kind
bonggo na daw
That's all. Thank you.
Blue sky come bearing up before us. We hang on the hem of your gown.